If you are tired of spending hours chopping up long videos for social media, this workflow is going to change everything for you. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use Vizard to turn one single long video into dozens of ready-to-post clips without any manual grunt work. First, you need to sign up for Vizard, where their freemium tier gives you enough access to test the engine and start pumping out high-quality clips immediately. Once you land on the dashboard, keep your eyes on three specific features: smart clip extraction, auto-scheduling, and the content calendar. Click Create Project and drop in your long file, like a 20-minute interview, which is perfect for this kind of AI processing. Vizard then scans the entire file to find high engagement moments, like punchy one-liners or emotional beats that perform well on social media. You can preview these suggestions instantly, so there is no dragging markers around on a timeline unless you really want to. I highly recommend using their viral clip suggestion, first because it usually nails that 30 to 60 second sweet spot for platforms like TikTok or Reels. Once you have approved your batch of clips, you can set your posting frequency and the AI handles the rest by filling out captions and hashtags. The content calendar is where you will live because it lets you drag and drop to reschedule posts or pause content if your plans change. Now, you might be wondering about the free tier limits, so my pro tip is to be really picky about which clips you generate and approve. Using the AI's viral picks is the smartest way to conserve your credits while still getting amazing output for your socials. While there are other tools out there like HeyGen that specialize in synthetic avatars, Vizard is built specifically for your existing long-form footage. This tool is perfect for creators who already have a library of podcasts, interviews, or streams and just need to scale their distribution. Take a 30-minute tutorial video, for example, and Vizard will automatically detect each discrete step to create a mini series of clips for you. If you have a recurring show format, you can even set up batch editing presets for things like intro cards and lower thirds to keep branding consistent. After a few posts, check the performance tracking to see what resonates with your audience, whether that is short comedic beats or longer explanations. To stretch your free use even further, batch all your edits into one single session so the AI can reuse processing context efficiently. You can also get creative by reassembling those clips into a best of micro episode that teases your full-length content perfectly. Ultimately, Vizard turns your long-form library into a steady stream of social fuel without the massive headache of manual editing. So, go upload a long video today, let the AI suggest your first batch of clips, and just watch how much time you save every single week.